I have a company that I have been investing for a while, and I have increased my investment by this amount so far. And I was sharing with my VIP club all these purchases that I was making during the past few months, especially when this company was at these prices. So in this video, I would like to share with you some of the reasons why I purchased this stock and why this stock has so much potential for the future. Welcome to all the new subscribers. It is a pleasure to have you here. If you have seen my videos since I started my channel, leave me a comment below with a happy face. I would like to know who is watching my videos from the beginning of my channel. The company that I have for you today is called Nubank, and their symbols are NU. NU Holdings provides digital banking platform in Brazil, Mexico, Colombia, Cayman Islands, Germany, Argentina, and the United States and Uruguay. NU Holdings have a market cap of $65 billion with a revenue of almost $5 billion a year, and is generating positive net income of more than $1.5 billion. NU Holdings have $8.8 billion in cash right now with a total debt of $2.4 billion. So they can easily pay their debt with a little bit of their cash at this moment. One of the reasons why I invested in this company is their great margins, which they have a gross margin of 100% with a profit margin after all expenses of more than 31%, which is really good. Now, looking at their revenue for this company, you can see how year after year, they continue to almost double their revenue, reaching more than 3.7 billion in 2023. And they already beat 2023 only through the middle of 2024 by generating more than 4.9 billion at this moment. This is a growth of more than 100% in the past few years. Now, looking at their net income, you can see that they reported losses all the way to 2022, but reporting the first year of positive net income in 2023 and increasing this as a projection for 2024. So if we look at their earnings per share, EPS, you can see in this graphic that they reported losses all the way to 2022 in earnings per share, but reporting 21 cents per share positive in 2023. And now looking at the projections for the next 3 years, you can see how their revenue went from $3 billion in 2023 to a projection of more than $11 billion for 2024, generating twice as much in earnings per share EPS of 44 cents with more than 100% growth in 2024 and increasing for the next 3 years as a projection. So what are your thoughts about Nubank? This is a company that I decided to invest, and it has been really good so far, but I continue to see a lot of projection and a lot of potential for the future because all these electronic payments, even though they are very common here in the US and Europe, it is not as common in South America and Central America. Every time I visit these countries in South America and Central America, people still stand in lines at the bank. And this is not very common here in the US to see a long line of people outside of a bank. But in South America, they continue to do that. So imagine when more and more people go into electronic banking, this banking is going to become more and more popular like it is right now. So what are your thoughts? I would love to know your opinions. If you would like to see what stocks I am buying every single week, especially this week, with the $250 I invest from my own money, just to show you what would I do if I had to start all over from zero, I invite you to become part of my VIP club. I'm going to leave you a QR code that you can scan with your phone, or you can look at the description of this video. My goal is to show you how I invest my own money, which is what I have been doing in the past 10 years that will allow me to retire next year in 2025. And my whole purpose is that I want to show you how possible this can be. All we have to do is do the right moves in our lives and our finances so we can make our money work for us instead of us just working for money. So I hope you enjoyed this video and get ready because the best is yet to come.